Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 2-in-1 robotic vacuum cleaner. This thing is pretty awesome, and it's gonna make your chores a lot easier when it comes to cleaning your house. So this was sent over by a company called Laresar. And this particular model is their L6 Nex. This thing is really, really awesome. They sent this over. Naturally, it's gonna come with a quick start guide, which is gonna help you get it hooked up really quickly to your Wi-Fi network. This does connect to your Wi-Fi network versus the 2.4 gigahertz. So make sure to use that channel if yours is split or doesn't make it on automatic signed Wi-Fi. Also, it does include obviously a standard little user manual that tells you all the details. However, we're gonna cover all those features right here in the video. So like I said, the first thing is you can control this via the app itself, or you can go ahead and control it on the unit itself. Obviously, utilizing the app's gonna let you go ahead and note all the various different rooms, because it's the first thing it's gonna do when it runs. It's gonna go ahead and map your house and set up all the various zones. So you can create digital no-go barriers, or if you want to go ahead and have it spot clean certain areas, you can do that by assigning it to go to certain rooms, and then it'll show you all the various stats and all that kind of fun stuff, and you can set schedules, all very, very easy through the app. Otherwise, like I said, if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and simply control it on the device itself. So here is the device. As you can see, it's just a standard, nice, round robotic vacuum cleaner, and you're going to notice there is a power button and a home button. Simply tap the power button and it's gonna go ahead and start doing the mapping, and then it's gonna go ahead and doing the cleaning. If you ever need to return it back before it's finished, just hit that home button and you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna press and hold both these buttons down for, I think it's like 5 or so seconds, and that's what's gonna set it into that Wi-Fi pairing mode. But let's go over the various accessories. So like I said, you're gonna get a user manual that explains it all. You're gonna get the robot, and then you're gonna get this nice little tower thing. So this tower part is essentially, it's charging dock station, but also will automatically empty the vacuum cleaner for you, which is super, super convenient and nice. You don't have to worry about emptying that container yourself after every run, which makes it very ideal for scheduling. So you'll notice it has 2 little silver prongs. That's where it's gonna go ahead and self-dock and recharge up the battery. This has a max runtime of about 1 hour and 80 minutes, or 180 minutes, I should say. So it has plenty of time to pretty much to do a standard size home. It easily does mine without no issues. Now, it does have also a 3200 mAh battery in there. Now, you'll notice also below the little prong charges is a little rubber part. That is where it's gonna dock and suck out any of that debris that it has picked up. Now, on the top part, you're gonna have a little hidden door here. Go ahead and slide that open, and that's where you're gonna notice it's gonna have the little bag to go ahead and change out. Now, for me, about every 6 weeks is where I'm typically changing out the bag. You're gonna be able to easily get up to 2 months out of this. Just really depends on what kind of situation you got going on in your house. I have pets, so that hair has a tendency to go ahead and fill up the bag faster. If you don't have pets, you're definitely gonna get longer. If you have like a lot of dogs or something like that, then it's gonna probably fill up sooner. So just keep that in mind. Now, you're also gonna get this little cleaning brush. This is a really nice tool. I like to keep it here in the top door just so I don't lose it, but it works very, very well. And so how this cleaning brush is, you're gonna have a little hook side with a little razor blade. That is perfect for cleaning the little spinning bristle part in case it gets any hair tangled. Then you're gonna notice it has a brush side as well. The brush side is what works very well in cleaning the HEPA filter get between those joints. So on the vacuum cleaner itself, you're gonna notice on the black side of it, you're going to have the 2 little charging things, and you're gonna see a little blue handle. That is what's gonna allow you to manually remove the dustbin. I do recommend cleaning this after a few months, just to make sure it's running in optimal condition. So you'll see a little kind of tab. Go ahead and open that up. Then you're gonna have your large dust container. The dust container itself holds about 300 milliliters of dust. And this also does mopping, which will go in a minute, which holds about 250 milliliters of water. But you're gonna notice on the one side, you're gonna have just a little plastic tab. This is the pre-filter. Go ahead and run it under the kitchen faucet or a hose outside. make sure it's nice and clean. And then you're gonna pull it out. You're gonna have a little Velcro part, which is gonna be your pre-filter, and then you're gonna have your HEPA filter, which you can go in there. I like to use just that kind of vacuum cleaner air, kind of like the can air, just blast out any of the little dust, and then make sure I rinse everything, make sure it's fully dry before putting it back, and you're good to go. Now, like I said, this does also do mopping because it is a 2-in-1 device. So if you do want to mop an area, go ahead and fill up the blue tab with water. When you're done with it, you can just go ahead and empty it out. I like to then leave the tab a little bit outside just so it dries up a little bit faster. But you're gonna go ahead and put it in, once it's full of water, put it back into the robot. And then on the other side is gonna be this little contraption that you're gonna add. And once you add this, it's gonna instantly know it's in the mop mode. So you'll see this little adapter here. It has a nice little blue cloth here. This is machine washable. It just attaches via Velcro, so it's very easy to put on and off. When it's dirty, go ahead and just throw it in the washing machine, throw it in the dryer, and you're gonna be good to go. You'll notice there's holes on the backside because that's where it's gonna go ahead and put in the water, so that way it can go ahead and clean up. So if you wanted to just kind of do a nice water vacuum or mopping of your kitchen, for example, or bathroom, go ahead and hit that zone, and then it'll go ahead and do that for you. Very, very versatile, very easy to use once again. Now, another major thing that's really nice about this particular model here is it is powered by LiDAR. And so you may be wondering, well, what is LiDAR? It is a kind of like more, in my opinion, a superior technology for identifying objects. This also does have the various sensors. It has the big sensor on the front and the side sensors as well. So it is using a mixture of both, but why that is so important is it's gonna be able to identify all the objects within the room. So the first thing you'll notice when you're running it, it's gonna kind of navigate your rooms. It's not gonna cover all the corners, and that's because it's using that radar signal in mapping and building out where all your furniture is, and that allows it to do more precise navigation. I've not had issues with this thing getting stuck underneath tables or chairs or anything like that. It's able to navigate around it because it sees it better with the radar system, which is pretty cool. But it has even like the little bump guard so it knows when it's hitting things. And then you're gonna notice it has 2 spinning brushes on either side so that when it is doing the baseboards, it's able to grab any of the dust and push it in towards the vacuum mechanism itself. And you'll notice the brush sits here right in the middle. It's easy to remove. Once again, just go ahead and clip the 2 little side parts, and then you can pull it out and clean it. Really, the only time you're gonna need to clean it is if you get a lot of long hair. Sometimes the hair will get kind of tangled up, and then that's where that nice little tool uses to go ahead and remove it, but works very, very well. Now, as far as surfaces, this thing is designed for all different types of surfaces. So whether you have wood floors, whether you have tile floors, whether you have carpet, whether you have rugs, it's gonna work on all those surfaces pretty much. If you have the really long carpet, it's gonna struggle with that. It's not designed for the really thick pile. So think like a shag rug, for example. Now on the highest, it can do a 6,000 PA suction. You're gonna hear that when it hits that carpet because it's just having that motor run a little bit more. On average, you're gonna be sitting around 2,000 PA as far as the suction ability of it as it's kind of navigating around. But overall, it does very, very well. Every time it goes, it gets more dust than I typically find with my own little vacuum cleaner. So it works very well, especially navigating underneath beds and underneath furniture, which you just necessarily cannot reach to. That's where this guy can go, which is pretty awesome when utilizing it. But I really love how easy it is to use. I love how well it does. And then most importantly, I love the radar, which is able to navigate the various different spaces and not having that ability to get stuck. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great little robot cleaner vacuum setup to make your life a little bit easier, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.